Hi guys, it's your girl Tamika Renee, and I'm back with another video. So right now, I'm eating Chipotle. Yes, Chipotle. Eating Chipotle. I already started eating. I already was doing the video, and I had to start over and all this other stuff. But besides that, I'm eating Chipotle. I got white rice in here with the cilantro, whatever they put in here. And I got pinto beans, black beans.
Oh, what the hell I mean?
Queso sauce, red sauce, sour cream, cheese, and lettuce. Boom. And I got a side of guac. Because when you get a veggie bowl, you get the guac for free. Just letting you know that. And I forgot the taco shells. But I do have these. That's why I didn't get the chips on the side. I do got the tostadas. Yes, honey. And to drink, I got some Sprite from 7-Eleven.
I don't want to eat chicken.
Why?
Oh, babe, I went to Venetia. I went to Chipotle, and I had to stop at 7-Eleven to load my card. And I seen Jarrell
Where?
at 7-Eleven because I stopped at the one across the street from Chevy House.
What did you say?
Hey, and stuff like that. Like, hey. And he like, what you doing over here? I'm like, on my way to,
Eat your food first, okay? And then I'll give you your phone, okay? I give you my phone. You gotta eat your food, okay?
But yeah, that's all we said to each
Don't
other.
tell me why.
That's all we said to each other, babe.
Yeah. I had to lay on the floor.
I seen you. Why?
You lay on the floor and get that tire, that last tire, like your tiredness off out, so you can get up.
Boy, that be the longest tired one right there. You get on the floor, you think...
I was gonna go down there, just go back down there to Justin house.
Uh-huh.
I thought I was acting weird, so I think he was tired. So, you know, I turned on the TV for him, and then I went outside to finish my little cigarette. Came back out. I was outside for like 3 minutes. Came back in the house. Knocked out.
Wow.
So,
And then you knocked out.
yeah, I laid down next to him. I said, "Pa, you went to sleep, nigga? You went to sleep on me?" He like, I'm like, Pa. He like, why? He like, what? I said, dude, you went to sleep on me? He said, he was like trying to push me and stuff. And I'm like, it's me, baby. It's me. He opened his eyes and looked at me and grabbed me, put his arm around me, baby. Shit, when he did that, I went to sleep. When he did that, you put your damn arm around me thinking this nigga ain't gonna go to sleep.
I could tell you was out because your phone was on here, on this counter, and it wasn't on charger.
Oh,
I'm like, damn.
yeah.
They was tired.
He put a spell on me.
What is that?
Whenever I put him to sleep, I always go to sleep, and he know that. So he be like, "Babe, come lay down with me." I know I ain't ready to go to sleep.
That's cold.
I know I ain't ready to go to sleep, so I tell him, "Can I get a few more minutes?" But he rarely ever go to sleep without me though. You know what I mean? Ain't that right, baby? You sleep with your baby, huh? You sleep with your baby.
Y'all, I got this test that I have to submit,
Where you going?
that I have not did.
I'm finna go on meeting first. Go on meet me room then.
Yes, you are.
I'm at home.
Okay.
You done?
He's a daddy boy. He loves his mama, but it's crazy because I would have to say he's a daddy boy. He with me more, but he's a daddy's boy. Ain't that crazy? I love his daddy.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too.
Ow!
She does more activities with him than I do. But he know his daddy be trying. His daddy a little old.
Damn.
Hard body.
Tony was talking about that in the car today.
But
Like, that's crazy. You is standing, he young, but he got stuff going on with him make him old. That make his body old.
yeah, she told me that just yesterday, Brady.
I was like, I know that's crazy.
She said,
What you gonna do when you get old?
She said, I know that sucks. You ain't even that old, but you got an old body.
It must have been on her mind because she was like, when he get old, she was talking to us in the car. Tracy had her on the Bluetooth. When he go old, what he gonna do then? This is gonna be the same thing.
Well, girl, right about now, see, dang, let me show you. Y'all see this fat pack? Y'all see that fat pack? Give me 6 months. That motherfucker gonna be like,
Go ahead.
the fat pack, you feel me? And right now I'm 4, so it really look like a fat pack, y'all. Like fat pack. See how the motherfucker just hanging?
He just ate it.
Look. Look at the titty, look.
Look, you happy as hell.
That's all muscle. You feel me? Now watch when I get that thing right, it's gonna be like shit, that's straight or body. Bam! Look, that sound like some shit, don't it? Ooh. Pickable. Listen down to you, boy.
Sit down and eat.
Let me help you. I'll let you use one of our things.
I don't want that.
You want to sit at the table or what? Like, what you want to do? You do it extra because you don't want it and you think I'm putting it right there by you. Stop.
He got
Stop.
knocked out.
Stop.
Legit.
Mm.
It's crazy because I could have stopped you before you did it, but I'm like, I know you see him. Because I seen it going his way, but I'm like, you okay? It's that side, huh? He got hit on that side, huh? Yep, I see it. It's red.
Ooh, look at him. Look at him.
Y'all, I'm so tired.
Be careful, man.
Mentally tired, not physically.
You gotta use your right hand because your right hand is.
But being mentally tired
You use that hand to eat with?
makes me physically
Which
tired.
hand is better? That hand is better or this hand is better? Like this? Like that.
I have to do a lot of thinking. A lot.
You gotta figure out a way to, to hold your fork so you can, grab your food better. You know what I mean? And you left. I don't know if you left-handed or right-handed.
I think he right hand because he was eating with his left hand. He was trying to. He was like this. And he got a little bit and then he switched. He said,
But he switched every time though. He switched all the time. Like,
oh, really?
One hand, then he, like right now, he just ate with his left. You know what I mean? That baby, dang. You ugly. That baby, thank you.
after yellow.
Ooh, you so nasty.
You don't have.
Halloween feel and, you know.
You so nasty.
You know. I was trying to get some yellow nails, but money real tight. Like, I don't know if I wanted to get Thanksgiving. Well,
Mommy.
huh.
Mom, you don't know.
I'm still gonna have this hairstyle for Thanksgiving. So I might go ahead and get the yellow nails. Yep. I'm gonna get all yellow nails and my feet. Yellow. Period. I just want yellow. Yeah, it was good. My man, I actually cooked some fried shrimp and some scrambled eggs for him. And then my son, he's eating some fried shrimps with some apples on the side and some shredded chicken that I made for the tacos. Excuse me. The other day. I'm the only one eating Chipotle. I mean, we don't like Chipotle like that. He like it when I get it. He want to eat off my plate and stuff. You know? It's good. Yep. Chipotle guacamole bomb. It really is. I don't even eat guacamole because it got red onions in it, but what I do is I dip it. Bless you.
Thank you.
And then I look and see if it's green, and then I eat it.
Mommy.
Excuse me.
I need to.
Huh?
I need some breakfast
Some breakfast
for my arm.
on your arm?
I need breakfast on my arm.
Yeah. Let me see. Today is
And
the
breakfast.
4th.
Breakfast. Mommy.
I have to do a couple of errands today.
Mommy, why?
A couple.
Mommy, you don't have to leave me alone? Babe, you don't have to leave me alone?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. Okay, Mom.
Daddy got a boo-boo.
I heard that.
Baby, you don't want to go there.
You get on my nerves. You heard me? Baby got a mini room around your phone? Okay, can I have your phone then?
Okay, since you doing that, have your phone. He's so happy.
You so happy, Mom.
He
You
love,
so happy, Mom.
he love getting his dad phone because his dad got a certain game on there. I'm gonna download it on mine so cause he about to get iPad for Christmas. So I can't wait for that time. Of Christmas time.
Mommy?
Yeah?
Oh, you love me?
Do I love you?
Yeah.
Yes.
You?
I love you with all my heart.
I love you so much.
All right. Excuse me.
Mommy,
Whew. Huh?
do you want me this?
Man.
Mommy. Mom,
What?
do you want me this?
Yes, I can. Excuse me.
Do you love me now?
I don't be drinking soda like that, so when I drink it, it's like,
Do you help me now? Do you help me?
well, what?
This, I know how to do this.
There you go. Every time you play, you need help
I need
to get back on there.
Huh? I need help me. I need help me, babe. Mommy. 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 Mom.
Hmm?
Please help me.
Come here.
I want.
I'll get up.
I know how
Okay.
to do this.
Here I come.
I know how to do this.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, if you like Chipotle, if you like seeing your girl again, give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below of what you think I should do in my next video. Period. Or how I'm doing in my video now. And peace.